In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can show or find your Zendesk subdomain. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the support right here on the top left and then click, then go to Admin Center from the drop down menu. From here, you would be redirected to another tab. So next, you would click on account right here on your left hand and then scroll down until you see branding under appearance. When you get here, simply scroll down again and you should see below your current subdomain as displayed right here. You even have the option to change your subdomain by clicking right here and then typing in the new subdomain that you want to use. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.